sunshine. I'm so excited to show you guys what I just got in the mail. This is the spring Walmart beauty box, and let me tell you all, it is $5. This is $5. Everything inside of this does cost me $5. Actually, okay, to be technical, the box itself is actually free. I only have to pay $5 every season. So if you didn't understand anything I just said in my hyper fit, the Walmart beauty box is $5 every season. So it means 4 times a year you're going to receive a box customized to the season and the weather that comes in that season. Everything that you receive in the box itself is free, technically. You are only paying $5 for shipping and handling. I think this is a great way to give somebody a gift. I know my mom got this for my sister for her whatever birthday, her 16th birthday I think it was. I got this for myself. They have a teen version, and I think I know they have an older women version, and now they have a men's box. So you can get your hands on a young box, an older women's box, and a men's box. And each of these boxes are $5. Both of the options for women are both beauty boxes. I think the men's is more like shaving and hair care, maybe. Don't quote me on that. Don't trust all of the facts. This is the internet. But I mean, like, let's open this up. First of all, I just do want to mention this is the spring box, in case I haven't said that yet. But look how pretty this box is. And I wish I could like, can you smell it? Like, it just smells, it smells like watermelon a little bit. It smells so good, and I'm so excited to see what's inside of this. So look at the pretty tissue paper. No peeking. Look at the pretty tissue paper. I honestly love these boxes because they're so affordable and they're so much fun, and it's really cool to try out new products to somewhere that I go grocery shopping every week. So the first thing that I received in the box is this thingy, Soft Soap Earth Blends. Is this hand soap? Let me read. Earth Blends Moisturizing Body Wash. Okay. Coconut and fig. Oh my gosh, that sounds like it smells amazing. I don't know. It sounds like it smells amazing. Okay, let's smell it. Let's smell it. This is a lot too. This is a lot better than the little tiny itty bitty samples you get from Ipsy. That's what smells like watermelon. Oh my gosh. Okay, the fig smells very sweet like watermelon does. I don't really get too much coconut. I don't know. I want to like freaking lather myself in this like pour perfume that smells like this on my body. It smells so incredible. Okay, so like hand sizing for scale. This is a big bottle. This is 2 fluid ounces. Amazing. It smells so incredibly good. And so fun to get body wash in a box. I don't think I've ever gotten that before. But perfect summer scent, because isn't coconut like, that's what everybody loves in the summer. But okay, that's the first thing. The next thing that I'm pulling out is, I almost just dropped it, Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Moisturizes for 24 hours, fragrance free. Okay, I feel like in the last, at least 2 boxes I've gotten this, but I will admit it's been really handy to have around because, well, I don't like to admit this, but I have incredibly dry ankles. Like, for some reason, my ankles are the driest part of my body, and it's really annoying because I always forget that I have dry ankles. So I'll like be sleeping, and then like I'll like move my leg across my sheet, and like it like catches on it because my ankle's so like dry and crusty, and it's low-key gross. So I just want to like give a personal shout out to Aveeno and the Walmart beauty box for being the only reason that sometimes my ankles aren't so crusty and dry and gross, because I will use this on my ankles and it actually does a really good job. And in case you haven't seen any of my unboxings before, you should go watch the other ones, because it's really funny, because when I smell things I always like gag a little bit because I have a really sensitive nose, and for some reason I just get really overwhelmed by fragrances really easy, and like my throat closes up and I go and it's kind of funny to watch when you're not experiencing it yourself. But the Aveeno lotion is fragrance free, which is why I love it so much, and I don't have to go through that every night. Well, at least the nights that I remember to put lotion on my ankles. The next thing that I received is round. I think this is a bath bomb. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hello, Unicorn Beach Bath Bomb from the Village Company. Okay, so if we can see, look how pretty this is. Also, please tell me, please somebody explain to me how I got like eyeliner underneath my nail. I was like pulling out liquid eyeliner this morning And somehow, before I got any on my eye, it got like underneath my nail. Yeah, that's something that I did. How did your day go today? Tell me about that. I want to hear about your day today in the comment section down below, because I love hearing and talking to you all. So, yeah, I don't really know. This doesn't really smell like anything besides like Johnson & Johnson baby lavender soap. I don't know if you guys have ever smelled that, but it has like calming, soothing chemicals, something in it. And like my parents washed me in that as a baby, and I'm 20 years old now, and I'll still use the baby body bath, bubble bath. Johnson & Johnson lavender bubble bath is so calming to my soul. And that's what this smells like a little bit. So heck yeah, I'm excited to use this. The next thing that I received is Clairol hairband. I received a hairband from Clairol. Oh my gosh. And this is one of the nice ones that doesn't kink your hair up. Oh my gosh. Okay, it says changes in the hair. Treat your tresses, I don't know, to a free box of hair color. Oh, and then we got a sticker. Oh my gosh, smelly sticker. It says rub for fresh floral scent. That smells like cherry blossoms a bit. And then I have a coupon on the back for 1 box of Clairol hair dye. I've never used Clairol hair dye. Actually, that's a lie. Yes, I did one time and I hated it, but it's because I picked out a really bad color. Have you ever used Clairol hair dye and had a positive experience? Let me know, please, in the comment section down below. I've used L'Oreal before, hated it. And I've used Garnier, love Garnier so much. So let me know, is Clairol any good? The next thing that I received in my box is, ooh, a foil packet. Ooh, acai berry revitalizing sleeping mask. Restorative overnight mask. Brighten and renew. An antioxidant rich sleeping mask. I've always wanted to try one of those. Oh my gosh. Okay. An antioxidant rich sleeping mask to rejuvenate and refuel skin energy to restore skin clarity and health. Okay, I've always wanted to try a sleeping mask, and like I feel like I'm most like excited to take care of my skin at night. And so like sometimes I'm like, yeah, it's totally okay if I sleep in this peeling mask. And then like I wake up in the morning and this side of my, because I sleep on this side of my face is completely dry, but then this side, like the pillowcase and I are stuck together, and that's not very fun. Sometimes I make really bad decisions. So I'm really excited to try this. I wonder if it's going to be like a jelly or a lotion. Let's read. Acai berry is a rich source of nutrients, including antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals found in the Amazonian rainforest, and has been used for centuries by natives for its immense nutritional and health benefits. Acai berry is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, promoting improved skin health regeneration for a youthfully glowing and healthy complexion. This silky and lightweight formula is infused with nourishing plant extract and nutrients to deliver excellent skin revitalizing benefits to dull, lackluster, and fatigued skin overnight. Acai berry and blueberry extracts restore health skin, while a word I don't even know how to say, nicotinamide, enhances skin clarity. Sage and lavender extracts smooth, calm, and relax skin. Use as your final skincare step at night on cleansed skin. Apply generously to face and neck, gentle enough to be used every night. Can be used alone or after serum or moisturizer. Rinse off with water in the morning. So this is really cool. I'm glad it's not a sticky mask, and I'm really excited to get into it and see what it smells like. I've always wanted to try sleeping masks, so that's really exciting that I got that in my box. Okay, there's something else in here. What is this? Okay, hold up. I'll tell you the story in a second. Hello is the name. Hello. Sensitivity Relief Fluoride Toothpaste. Okay, weird. There are 2 weird story times that are coming with this toothpaste. Sorry if you were really interested in like rushing through, but we got 2 story times. Okay, first story time is I've tried one of their toothpaste before, and because I received it before in another Walmart box, and for some reason it tastes like mayonnaise to me. It's not that I don't like mayonnaise. I love mayo, but first thing in the morning on my, like, it just, no. Second story is basically I accidentally scratched my tooth, and now it's like really sensitive for some strange reason, so I really hope that this will help. However, I am a little hesitant since like the last one smelled like toothpaste. Not smelled, it tasted like toothpaste. So let's see what this smells like. It smells like mint. mint, but not really mint. Okay, I don't like the smell of that. It smells like, I hate the smell of wintergreen with a burning passion. Like, if you're somebody who wants to piss me off, send me wintergreen mints or gum. I hate them so much. They disgust me. I can't. They make me gag. I don't know why. And this smells like wintergreen and toothpaste. And I don't want to be a part of that thing anymore. However, if I cannot use my nose first thing in the morning and brush my teeth with this toothpaste, I think I could get past it and try it out. However, I really am excited to see if it helps reduce the sensitivity of my teeth. And there's one more thing in here. Actually, there's some cards too, but the last item that we have is from Garnier. I love Garnier. This is their two samples, one's shampoo, one's conditioner. Oat Delicacy. I just smelled this in Walmart today and it actually smelled like so soothing to my soul. So I am really excited to try this out. Wholesome loving care blended for naturally beautiful hair every day with oat milk and rice cream extracts. Tailor-made formula delicately nourishes for hair that is soft to the touch. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this. Actually, I just bought their maple shampoo and I love like washing my hair and conditioning it, and I smell like maple syrup and it makes me feel like I have superpowers because I have maple syrup smelling hair. And then we just have some cards that come along with the box, and it's kind of just to tell you about what like each individual product is. Like here we have one for the bath bomb, we have one for the mayo toothpaste, we have the soft soap body wash, and we have the shampoo and conditioner. So here's everything we got. We got the shampoo and conditioner hair, what is this called? Hair care sample. We got body wash from Soft Soap. We got a lotion from Aveeno. We got a bath bomb from, I think this was, the Village Company. We got a bath bomb from the Village Company. We got toothpaste from Hello. We got a hairband from Clairol or something like that. And then we got this sleeping skincare mask. So we got, okay, 1, 2, 4 skincare options. Oh no, I'm dropping things. 2 hair care options and a lotion. And I think that's so incredibly cool. Like, let's see if I can like stack everything up to show you guys everything that I got. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't do this very well, but oh no, things are falling. Okay, something along these lines of this. Like, this is everything that we got. All for $5. Girl, if you're looking for a bang for your buck, sign up for the Walmart box. Let me tell you, I love it so incredibly much. My sister gets it. Let me know if you guys want to see what my sister got in her spring Walmart box. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.